Do you like dessert? Well, then I have some good news for you. Listen, I have a group coming up. It's actually a free group on Facebook. We're going to do like a healthy dessert recipe share. Not only that, but I've partnered up with a couple other people, business partners on my team, and they're going to be doing some, sharing some recipes with you and actually making them. So like demonstrating how to make some of these healthy recipes. So the reason I'm telling you this, the group officially is next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Like I said, it's on Facebook. I will drop the link in a comment below so you can get signed up for it. So make sure that you go there to sign up for this group. Just come and check it out. But the reason I'm telling you now is because on Friday, we're doing a live raffle drawing. So that'll be our first raffle drawing. Then we do our official group Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And concluding the group, we'll do another live raffle drawing. So all the details will be in the group. Like how do you earn raffle tickets? What we're going to be raffling off. So do you like free stuff? Do you like healthy recipes? Do you like dessert? Okay, then you should be in our group. Oh, and bonus. We also are going to be sharing with you several different totally free workouts for you to do. So all those will be in the group too. I hope you have a good day.